Hi, welcome back to the series Exam Tips by KD. Today we'll be talking about one specific exam in MAT. They have yet not announced the notification. Still, they have announced a couple of things in the notification. They have released the exam pattern, which is completely changed. They have announced on what basis they'll be doing their scoring, which is also completely changed. So let's discuss that. Let's begin what they've announced. They've announced that the process of registration is a 5-step process. In the first step, they say you have to register on nmat.org, जहाँ पे आपको अपना valid email से register करना है. Second step पे you have to provide all personal details and everything, list of programs you are applying to. Third is you have to select schools where your scores should be given by them or dispatched by them. Fourth is you have to pay the test fee and download the admit card. Fifth step is they are saying that you are allowed to take 3 retakes. I mean, every year it is 3 retakes only, but this year your retake registration option will be enabled in your dashboard after your exam date. So the moment you have after your exam date, so the moment you get your exam date, you will get the retake date also. Now, rescheduling, retake, these are two different terms. Rescheduling means मैंने 10 अक्टूबर को शेड्यूल किया था, but अभी मैं दे नहीं रहा हूँ, 11 नवंबर को दूंगा. This is now rescheduling. Retake means I am appearing for the test on 10th October. I'll take a retake on 10th November. I'll take a retake on 29th November. Of course, 29th November you will not take, it is CAT. 30th November or whatever it is. Okay, this is retake. So maximum 3 retakes one can take. Okay, this is what they've announced so far. Interestingly and importantly, what they've announced. तुम्हारे काम की चीज क्या है? तुम्हारे काम की चीज है. Of course, they charge for everything. So registration में अगर early कर लोगे तो 2000 plus taxes. Registration due date के बाद करोगे तो 2500 plus taxes. Retake का 2000 plus taxes. Rescheduling का 1100 plus taxes. So this is available on their website. But they have changed the structure. So what they've done, they say that now this year your test will be random generated questions from a pool of questions you'll get. So बहुत सारा pool है questions को, उनमें से आपको questions मिलते जाएंगे. Difficulty level would vary as per the attempt. आपने सही किया तो थोड़ा difficult हो जाएगा, गलत किया तो easy होता चला जाएगा. Just on the lines of GMAT. You have a choice of selecting the order of the test. Order of the test means sequence. If you do not select any order, then it is an order which is default order. Language, quant and logical reasoning are 3 sections in the test. Now what is the new pattern? New pattern is this year they are, now of course it's a time test. They are taking 3 sections. Language 36 questions and quant they are taking 36 questions and language logical reasoning also 36 questions. And time allotted is for language they are giving you 28 minutes. For maths they are giving you 52 minutes. And for logical reasoning they are giving you 40 minutes. So time allotted would be 120 minutes and number of questions would be 108. Interestingly, please note down, score range is between 12 to 120 in every section. And overall score range would be 36 to 360 overall score. This is a scale score, don't forget that. And scaling would be done as per the difficulty level of the sections and what you have attempted. So they have actually changed the pattern and they have changed the scoring also. Scorecards would be given, scale scores for the sections and your total score would be given within 48 hours of taking the test. Okay, you will be notified with your email address and everything. Now, scale scores. Questions in the NMAT by GMAT exam are selected from the questions pool for each examinee based on his or her performance on the questions previously answered. Number 1, important. अब तुम्हें अपनी एबिलिटी के हिसाब से टारगेट करना पड़ेगा. इसमें तुम्हें ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना. My understanding says तुमको सिर्फ 3 चीजों पे ध्यान लगाना है. That I have to understand the paper pattern और जो चीजें कैट से अलग हैं मुझे उन पे भी थोड़ा ध्यान देना चालू करना है to crack this exam. For example, in language, it is not only paraforming questions or it is not only RC as CAT. It is grammar also, synonym also, antonym also, analogies also, parajumbles, close test, reading comprehension, spotting error, everything. So you will get a mixed bag of questions in English, which is like VA, RC. Vocab would play a major role here. So ensure that you start working on your vocabulary base from now. Quant, it would be easier. Don't worry, it would be easier. And questions will be mainly from arithmetic. You will get questions from percentages, time and work, ratio proportion, profit and loss, etc. And you will get DI sets also, So it's a mixed bag of quant and DI, but difficulty level would be on an easier side. Don't worry. अगर फर्स्ट सेट पूरा करते हो ढंग से, बेसिक सेक्शनल टेस्ट ढंग से देते हो, थोड़ा बहुत इंटरमीडिएट सेक्शनल टेस्ट से मान लो, दैट इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, critical reasoning will play a major role in this section. 16 to 18 questions out of 40 questions last year were from CR. And typically questions were from strengthening the argument, weakening the argument, etc. If you look at direct application of what we teach you in classes, आपको लगता है लॉजिकल रीजनिंग जो हम टॉपिक वाइज पढ़ाते हैं वो कहां काम आती है, वो यहां काम आती है. So again, you will be using all the topics taught to you and you will actually you'll find it not very difficult. लेकिन हाँ, प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी और अनमेट पैटर्न के ऊपर आपको अलग से टेस्ट देने पड़ेंगे. दैट इज व्हाट यू विल हैव टू डू एडिशनल. ओके, अदरवाइज वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग इन क्वांट, वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग इन रीजनिंग इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट. इंग्लिश में वोकैब पे थोड़ा ज्यादा ध्यान देना है बिकॉज क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम वोकैबुलरी बेस वुड बी देयर. ओके, सो दिस इज टिपिकली व्हाट न्यू पैटर्न ऑफ एनमैट इज. आई होप I would have done some justice with you, and I'll be back with some other exam after some time. Okay, wish you all the best for preparation. Stay logged, stay safe, stay tuned with us on all the channels wherever we are, Insta Live or Insta or Facebook, everywhere. Okay, bye bye.